friends, today I'm going to explain briefly about strong nuclear force. Strong nuclear force is the strongest of all fundamental forces. The strong nuclear force binds protons and neutrons in a nucleus. It is evident that without some attractive force, a nucleus will be unstable due to the electric repulsion between its protons. The range of strong nuclear force extremely small, of the order 10 raised to minus 15 meter. Electron does not experience this force. It is responsible for stability of nucleus. I told you that without some attractive forces, a nucleus will be unstable due to the electric repulsion between the protons. But the strong nuclear force holds the nucleus together. And another point is it is charge independent and acts equally between a proton and a proton, neutron and a neutron, and a proton and a neutron. This is all about strong nuclear force. The last fundamental force I am going to discuss briefly is weak nuclear force. Weak nuclear force is not as weak as gravitational force, but much weaker than the strong nuclear and electromagnetic force. The weak nuclear force appears only in certain nuclear processes such as beta decay of a nucleus. The change of weak nuclear force is order 10 raised to minus 16 meter. Beta decay means the nucleus emits an electron and an uncharged neutrino, particle neutrino. Okay. So I'm concluding my first topic of physics chapter 1. We discussed in the last 3 videos about the fundamental forces. The first one we discussed about gravity. Gravity experiencing all particles with mass. Force carrier particle is graviton. Its range is infinity. Next, we discussed about electromagnetism, acts between electrically charged particles. Particles experiencing electrically charged gamma. Photons are the force carrier particles. Its range is also infinity. Next, we discuss about strong force, binds quarks together. Quarks means recent developments have however indicated that protons and neutrons are built out of still more elementary constituents called quarks. Its force carrier particles are gluon. Its range is short range. And last we discussed about weak force. It governs particle decay. It's a particle experiencing Koch's leptons. It is expressed in this way. We discuss these particles in later further classes. Range is short range. Relative strength is given here. Gravitation is much weaker. Weakest force. Then next comes to weak force, weak nuclear force. Then electromagnetic force. Then the last one, strong. Much stronger is strong force. Thank you.